Right, now, yeah, what is this? Is that going to be a Roman coin? It could, you know. Me Sony X3000's run out of juice. Well, let's have a look at this. Oh, I do hope so. Is this going to be a silver denarii? I do hope so. It is. Look at that. Oh, great. Absolutely fantastic. Wow. Yeah, oh, beautiful. Oh, that's fantastic. And on a spot, a field that's been ploughed last year, and you know, not had any hammered coins on this field, but I've had a couple little Roman bits, and now, you know, that's my best denarii. That not bad for North Lancashire. Right, let's focus in on this spot. Yeah, this gave me a bit of a fright. It's a beautiful little watchwinder. It's on a loud 19 signal, just a step away from the Roman silver. Whew. That's decorative. Not far from the Roman denarii. Give it a gentle brush and see what the detail's like. So that's what it looks like. I don't know if it's snapped off the end or is it, but that's a funny decorative thing. You know, it looks old. I do not know if it's ancient, but oh my god, what a lucky time I'm having. Look at this now. Wow. What is going on? Beautiful. Look at that. Wowzers, what is that? So, oops. So here's our hole. There's a bit of clay pipe and look, where are we? There. A bit of clay pipe and a bit of glass in the hole. And there's a signal in here somewhere. Right, so this was a loud 21 signal, quite light. Needs a bit of a brush, I think it's lost. Now, my guess is that it's going to be a French coin. Is it Napoleon II? Third? But anyway, we'll see once we've given it a brooch if anything details come up. That could be a bit different. It's quite light. There's like a pinhole there. Is this some kind of medallion, lead token? Don't know. We'll give it a gentle brush with this as well. Not made it back to my bag yet. We'll see if there's anything there. That might just be a rotted Edward penny. Queen Victoria's son. Is it Edward VII, is it? This, I think it might be blank on that side. Might be. But if you look closely on that side, you can see some face looking left. Is that some kind of medallion or something? Yeah. Interesting. Is that like a big hat? I think it might be, mightn't it? Looks like an American hat, or Napoleon or somebody, or yeah, I don't know who that is. Is that a moustache? Well, hello everybody. I just might come back to this field. Crikey, I'm on a bit of a roll at the moment with the Roman stuff. So let's have a little look. So here we are. This is our finds. So lead, end of a bullet, button, nut, button. That's quite a nice button. Oops. There. That's quite nice. Well, here we are. Let's have a look what we got. So, oop. Lead. End of a bullet. Button. That's quite a nice button. Yeah, that dragon, is it? Oop. Lead. A bit of old. That looks quite old lead. That watch winder. Clog clasp. Rubbish. Fairly nice button. Decorative end of something. Old iron nail. Oops. That might be off like a broom handle or something. Lead. A horse's ass. You horse's ass. I think it's a thimble. A couple of like copper endy things, which will be great. They'll go in the recycling and a bit of money from that. Little bits like that you should check just in case there's any design on. If you're finding old stuff, I've done them buttons, I think. Right, onto the arguably better stuff. Oops. So there's that medallion. I don't know if you can see the face there. That, for some reason, I'm thinking that could be a bit of a heraldic pendant. That's looks like it wore off and dropped, and then it's gone through the farm machinery. There's that which we had a look at. quite decorative, don't know what it is. And then there's the star of the show. I think it's a denarius, I believe. Look at that. What a beautiful coin. That's straight in at the top 10, isn't it? Da-da-dun, da-da-dun, da-da-dun. Look at that. Could do with a little bit of a clean, not too much. Beautiful. Right, I'm happy with that. I think I'll be coming back on this field and this spot. Absolutely marvellous. Happy hunting, everybody. Let's rescue that history. Well, a bird had crapped all over my car before I set off. Perhaps it's good luck after all.